Welcome back. Hello everyone. In previous video I have uh, show you how to I have shown you how to design a 2x1 MIMO antenna. Now in this tutorial I will also show you another technique how to design 2x1 antenna with the help of single individual element. So if you see here, this is a single element antenna which resonate at almost 28 gigahertz, and let me delete these graphs. So now if you see, this antenna resonate at almost 28 gigahertz. Now I will just copy paste to this individual element with the help of Control C, and with the help of Control V I will paste it over here. So if you see here, a single element is introduces over here. Now if you see, its parameter is the same which I had already used for the this equivalent circuit model. Now if I will simulate this antenna, so you can see the S parameter of pulse antenna is shown over here, but I will need to select S12 over here, and then I will need to show you S21 over here, and then S22 over here. Okay, so this S11 or S parameters is representing the resonance frequency of first element, which is this, and this is our second element, and S22 will represent the S parameter of this antenna. So if you see, this is our S22. So if you see, S22 is shown over here, while if you want to check isolation between these two, so you will see S12 8. So the isolation between these two individual element is almost exists over here, and the transmission coefficient between these two is almost equal to 0 or near to 0. You can see from this graph over here. Now if you want to export this antenna, so for that you will select this graph, and then you will come to export, and then you will save it in a specific directory where you want. So S11 and S22 you can export with the help of these steps, and then you will need to give a name of S22, and by pressing save you will save that over there. Similarly, transmission coefficient, by the way, this one is representing reflection coefficient, this one is also representing reflection coefficient, this graph and this graph is representing transmission coefficients of that two individual elements. So I think for now, take care, bye bye.